Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the exciting world of virtualization and cloud computing. These technologies are changing how we use computers and access information. Imagine running multiple operating systems on a single computer, or accessing vast computing resources with just an internet connection. So let's jump right in and explore the foundations of this digital revolution. Virtualization and cloud computing represent a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. Imagine accessing the software and services you need, whenever and wherever you need them, without being tied down to specific devices or physical locations. Think of it like this. Instead of owning a car, you have access to a fleet of vehicles that you can use as needed. Need a compact car for city driving? You got it. Need a spacious SUV for a family trip? No problem. For individuals, it means greater convenience, affordability, and access to powerful tools. For businesses, it translates to increased efficiency, reduced costs, and enhanced agility. Let's kick things off with client-side virtualization, a technology that transforms your computer into a digital chameleon. Imagine running multiple operating systems simultaneously on your single machine, each isolated and secure, like separate apartments in a building. Remember the frustration of software incompatibility? With client-side virtualization, you can run applications designed for different operating systems without conflicts. It's like having a universal translator for your computer, allowing you to run programs that were previously off limits. At the heart of client-side virtualization lies the concept of virtual machines, VMs. Think of a VM as a self-contained, independent computer within your computer. You can install software, browse the web, and run applications within a VM just as you would on a separate computer. The beauty of VMs is their isolation. Now, let's meet the conductors of this virtual orchestra, the hypervisors. Hypervisors are the unsung heroes of client-side virtualization, working tirelessly behind the scenes to make the magic happen. They act as a virtual traffic cop, directing resources like CPU time, memory, and storage to each VM efficiently. Think of a hypervisor as the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring that each instrument or VM gets its moment to shine without drowning out the others. There are two main types of hypervisors, Type 1, which runs directly on the hardware, and Type 2, which runs on top of your existing operating system. Both types effectively manage resources and provide a platform for your VMs to thrive. Client-side virtualization is not just a theoretical concept, it's a powerful tool with real-world applications across various domains. Imagine being a software developer who needs to test an application on different operating systems and browser versions. Picture a business reliant on an older software application that only runs on an outdated operating system. Imagine a classroom where students can experiment with different operating systems and software in a safe and isolated environment. Picture a security researcher analyzing malware in a controlled environment to understand its behavior and develop countermeasures. Let's delve deeper into the heart of client-side virtualization and understand the crucial role played by the hypervisor. This software layer acts as a virtual maestro, orchestrating a seamless performance between your physical hardware and multiple virtual machines or VMs. The hypervisor creates an isolated environment for each VM, shielding it from the host operating system and other VMs. This isolation is crucial for maintaining stability and security, preventing conflicts and ensuring that what happens in one VM doesn't affect others. The hypervisor's role is akin to a master illusionist, creating a seamless and convincing virtual world that masks the complexities of the underlying hardware. Resource allocation is a critical aspect of client-side virtualization, and the hypervisor plays a pivotal role in this process. Think of your computer's resources, CPU, memory, storage, as a pie that needs to be divided among the various VMs running simultaneously. The hypervisor acts as a wise baker, carefully slicing the pie to ensure that each VM receives an adequate portion to function correctly. It allocates CPU time slices to each VM, creating the illusion that they are running concurrently, even on a single physical processor. The hypervisor's ability to dynamically allocate and manage resources ensures that all VMs receive their fair share, preventing resource hogs from monopolizing the system and causing performance issues. Hardware virtualization is a key technology that underpins the efficiency of client-side virtualization. It allows the hypervisor to create a virtualized layer between the VMs and the physical hardware, enabling multiple operating systems to run concurrently on the same hardware. Modern CPUs incorporate hardware virtualization features that significantly improve the performance and efficiency of client-side virtualization. These features allow the hypervisor to offload some of its tasks directly to the hardware, reducing overhead and enhancing overall system performance. By leveraging hardware virtualization, client-side virtualization can achieve near-native performance, making it a practical solution for running demanding applications and operating systems within VMs. Efficiency unleashed, maximizing your computing power. Client-side virtualization isn't just about running multiple operating systems, it's about unlocking the full potential of your computer's hardware. Imagine squeezing every ounce of processing power, memory, and storage from your machine. With client-side virtualization, you can dedicate specific resources to each virtual machine, VM, ensuring smooth performance even when running demanding tasks concurrently. By consolidating multiple physical machines into VMs on a single powerful computer, businesses can reduce their hardware footprint, saving on energy costs and reducing electronic waste. For software developers, IT professionals, and tech enthusiasts, client-side virtualization is a dream come true. It provides a safe and isolated environment to experiment with new software, test code changes, and explore different operating systems without compromising the stability of their main system. For developers, this means being able to test their applications on various operating systems and browser versions simultaneously, ensuring compatibility and identifying potential issues before release. IT professionals can use client-side virtualization to create templates for standard operating environments, simplifying the deployment of new workstations and ensuring consistency across their organization. Client-side virtualization empowers users to unleash their creativity and explore the digital world without fear of breaking things. Section 3. Compatibility and portability, breaking down digital barriers. Client-side virtualization smashes the barriers of software compatibility and hardware limitations. Imagine running a Windows-only application on your Linux machine or using a legacy software program that's incompatible with your modern operating system. Moreover, client-side virtualization enhances portability. Imagine moving your entire computing environment, operating system, applications, files, and settings to a different computer effortlessly. Section 1. Beyond the confines of your computer, the cloud awaits. Having explored the wonders of client-side virtualization, let's now shift our gaze upward, to the realm of cloud computing. Imagine a vast, interconnected network of powerful servers, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Instead of owning and managing your own IT infrastructure, you can now rent virtualized resources from cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. The cloud is not a physical place, but rather a distributed network of data centers located around the world. Section 2. Cloud Service Models, a buffet of computing options. Cloud computing offers a range of service models to meet diverse business needs. Let's explore the three main categories: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Imagine IaaS as renting a bare-bones kitchen. You get essential appliances but must bring your own ingredients. PaaS is like dining at a restaurant with a preset menu. Focus on developing and deploying your applications. SaaS is like ordering takeout, a ready-to-use software application. Accessed through a web browser, it's the most convenient option. Choose the right model based on your needs, expertise, and budget. Deployment models explained. Let's explore how cloud services are delivered. Deployment models define data storage, management, and access. Understanding these models is crucial for your cloud strategy. Public cloud, shared resources, cost-effective, scalable. Private cloud, dedicated resources, higher control, higher cost. Hybrid cloud combines both for flexibility. The public cloud offers businesses scalable, on-demand computing resources. Imagine paying only for what you use, like electricity or water. That's the beauty of the public cloud. Scale up or down in minutes, ensuring optimal performance. Another benefit is cost efficiency. Eliminate capital expenditures and pay a subscription fee. Providers offer a range of pre-built services, accelerating your time to market. While the public cloud offers numerous advantages, some organizations require higher control and security. This is where private cloud computing comes into play, providing a dedicated environment tailored to specific needs. Imagine a private cloud as building your own data center, giving you complete control over your hardware, software, and data. You set the rules, manage access, and ensure compliance with industry regulations. The fusion of technologies, hybrid cloud, and beyond. As we venture further into the digital age, the lines between virtualization and cloud computing continue to blur, leading to exciting new possibilities. Hybrid cloud models, a blend of public and private cloud environments, are gaining momentum, offering the best of both worlds, scalability and cost efficiency alongside enhanced control and security. Imagine a business leveraging the public cloud for its e-commerce platform, handling fluctuating customer traffic with ease, while keeping sensitive customer data securely stored on a private cloud. This seamless integration of different cloud environments allows organizations to optimize their IT infrastructure for agility and cost-effectiveness. But the fusion doesn't stop there. The rise of edge computing is bringing computation closer to the data source, reducing latency and enabling real-time decision-making. Imagine self-driving cars processing sensor data locally to make split-second driving decisions, or smart factories analyzing production data in real time to optimize efficiency. This distributed computing paradigm, powered by virtualization and cloud technologies, is transforming industries ranging from healthcare to manufacturing. Think of it as extending the cloud's reach to the edge, unlocking new possibilities for innovation and efficiency. Computing at the edge, bringing intelligence closer. Edge computing, a natural evolution of virtualization and cloud computing, is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a connected world. By bringing computation and data processing closer to where it's needed most, at the network edge, we're entering an era of faster, more responsive, and intelligent applications. Imagine a world where medical devices can analyze patient data in real time, providing doctors with instant insights for life-saving decisions. Or picture smart cities using edge computing to optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and improve public safety. These are just glimpses of the transformative potential of edge computing. Edge computing relies heavily on virtualization technologies to create lightweight, portable, and scalable computing environments at the edge. These virtualized environments can be deployed on a variety of devices, from small sensors to powerful gateways, enabling data processing and analysis closer to the source. This distributed computing model reduces the need to transport massive amounts of data to centralized cloud data centers, reducing latency and bandwidth consumption. It also enhances privacy and security by keeping sensitive data local, minimizing the risk of data breaches and unauthorized access. As we generate ever-increasing amounts of data from connected devices, edge computing, powered by virtualization, will play a crucial role in unlocking the full potential of the Internet of Things and shaping the future of intelligent applications. Embracing the future of computing, virtualization and cloud computing are shaping our future. Remember the days of bulky hardware? Those days are fading fast. Virtualization transforms our computers into versatile platforms. The cloud offers computing resources on demand. Hybrid cloud and edge computing are the future. Your journey into the cloud begins now. The future of computing is flexible, scalable, and accessible to all. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or just starting your digital journey, understanding the concepts of virtualization and cloud computing is essential for navigating the ever-evolving technological landscape. Remember, you don't need to be a computer scientist to harness the power of these technologies. Start by exploring client-side virtualization tools, experiment with different cloud service providers, and embrace the possibilities of a connected world. There are countless resources available online, from tutorials and documentation to online courses and communities, to guide you on your journey. As you delve deeper into the world of virtualization and cloud computing, you'll discover that the possibilities are limitless. These technologies are empowering individuals and businesses alike to break free from traditional constraints, unleash their creativity, and drive innovation like never before. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the future of computing today and unlock a world of possibilities at your fingertips.